Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hyper-VPN, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Hyper-VPN download and press enter. Locate the official Hyper-VPN website from the search results. Click on the appropriate link to navigate to the download page. Once on the website, find the download button. Select the download option that corresponds with your operating system. The download should start automatically. After the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to launch the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation process. Read the terms and conditions carefully and select the option to accept them. Choose your installation location if prompted, or proceed with the default location. Click the Install button to initiate the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you may be prompted to launch Hyper-VPN immediately. Open the application from your desktop or Start menu. If prompted, create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Once logged in, you will see the main interface of the app. To connect to a VPN server, choose your desired server location from the list. Click the Connect button to initiate the connection. Wait for the connection status to change to Connected. You are now using Hyper-VPN to secure your internet connection. To disconnect, simply click the Disconnect button in the app. Explore the settings to customize your VPN experience to your liking. You have successfully installed and configured Hyper-VPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.